afternoon to respected juries, invited dignitaries, and my friends. Today I am here to share my works regarding histophysiological alterations caused due to intoxication of atrazine herbicides in Wistar albino rats male. So firstly we will see the introduction. In India, the agriculture production is mostly affected by factors like natural calamities, insect, pests, weeds, etc. Weeds, the plant which grow where they are not wanted in field, garden, lawn, etc. Herbicides, synthetic chemicals that kill the plant or inhibit their growth. There are two types of herbicides: selective herbicides and non-selective herbicides. Selective herbicide only kills dicot plants and leaving behind the monocot plant, while non-selective herbicide tries to kill most of the plants. The most commonly used herbicides is glyphosate, pursued 2,4-D atrazine, of which atrazine is highly toxic, and non-selective types of herbicides. Mechanisms: herbicides either alter the hormone to stunt the growth or kill the plant. This is the chemical profile of atrazine. Common name atrazine, trade name atrazine. This is the molecular formula. It is water soluble and half-life period is 60 to 100 days. Herbicide is repeatedly used for clearance of weeds. It gets accumulated in the soil and leach out to nearby water bodies, and also get accumulated in non-target plants or animals. Now we will see the materials and method. The healthy male Wistar rat were procured from Sudhakar Rao Naik Pharmacy College, Pusat, with average weight of rats 160 to 190 gram and age 5 to 6 months. Rats were acclimatized to laboratory condition by providing food and water ad libitum. Experimental rats were grouped in two sets, 6 rats in sets, and first set treated as control and second set given the 25% of LD50 oral dose of the atrazine dissolved in tap water for 120 days daily. Control rats were sacrificed for control value after 120 days. Experimental rats were sacrificed after completion of 120 days oral dose. Blood was drawn from renal artery for biochemical analysis. Tissue were processed for histological preparation. This is the biochemical parameter: estimation of urea, uric acid, creatinine, HGOT, HGPT. The biochemical analysis result of control and atrazine treated rat shows the significant increase in urea, creatinine and uric acid level has been observed. However, the slight decrease in HGOT, HGPT level has been observed in experimental rats. Histological analysis. The tiers of testis shows the normal cellular architecture with the normal seminiferous tubules, germinal epithelial cells, primary secondary spermatocytes in control rats, while tiers testes of atrazine treated rats exhibited atrophy of testes, dilation of seminiferous tubules and various degenerative changes. Next is the kidney. Tiers of kidney of control rat shows the normal renal tubules and glomerulus. In atrazine treated rat shows the kidney shows the atrophy of a glomerulus and degenerated renal tubules. Hepatocytes of liver in control rats were polygonal in shape, mononucleate, binucleate, while in atrazine treated rats liver shows vacuolar degeneration of hepatocyte, diffuse necrosis and degeneration of hepatic portal vein. Conclusion. The result obtained in the present investigation revealed that the subchronic dose of atrazine herbicide, that is 25% of LD50, induced considerable alteration in biochemical parameter and architecture of the liver, kidney and testes of rat. Therefore, widespread use of this herbicide in public place and agricultural field is to be prohibited or restricted. These all are my references. Thank you.